a nice game here at the Nguyen Hue Walking Street, and the objective is to kick the shuttlecock and keep it as long as possible in the air without dropping. So using the leg to control. Whoa. I think it's 20 rounds now. In 1 minute, it can be like many exchanges of the shuttlecock between the players. And you can control the shuttlecock like a football. You can kick it sideways. I think the players are a little tired. It's like 11:15 PM now, and some of them are fatigued from playing several hours. I think it started early at 9 PM or something. Look at the velocity and the speed, and the players are clapping and celebrating, cheering about themselves. All of them, or most of them, use the back kick, which is the hardest of all, or the side kick. The front kick is easier, but it's not easy to control the speed. And then the back heel is, it looks very fun, but I think it's the hardest to master. Now there's only one girl playing in the team of how many people? 8 people. I think for girls is maybe easier to master the game because their hips are more flexible. This game requires our hip and leg coordination as eye and hand. Your hands also. You know, if you jump and kick, it looks nice, but it's even harder to master. it's not just receiving the shuttlecock, it's all about the speed, accuracy and precision. I think 2 or 3 of the skillful players will be the orange color shirt player and the black color polo tee and then the black t-shirt. These 3 players are more skilled.